2 stalks of celery. This is going to be, we make any kind of salad with a tuna salad, egg salad, chicken salad. You always start out with a little bit of celery, a little bit of onion, Miracle Whip, and some of them you put pickle relish in. Others, like this kind of salad, you can put grapes in if you wanted to, nuts in if you wanted to. It just depends. Chicken salad leads it to cranberries. Cranberries is very good in chicken salad. But as you see, you want to dice up your celery nice and fine. So you're going to chop up the onion fine too. Always be careful of your fingers when you're chopping anything, dicing like this. And another thing you can do is go like this, so you make sure you've got all the big pieces cut. So, you want to make sure that you have this chicken cut up. You don't want big chunks in the salad. You can make this with fresh boiled chicken. You can make this with rotisserie chicken. You can make it with a lot of different types of chicken. Okay, I'm going to get the Miracle Whip. Okay. So this is a heaping spoonful and another heaping spoonful. And we're going to mix this up a little bit. Oops. So we have chopped pecans. And usually you put just as much as what you'd like to put in here. And they're already chopped. We want to put some cranberries in here too. Give it a little color and flavor. Like I said, grapes goes really good in here too. The little ones. You don't want to put the great big ones in here, although you could. Okay, all you have to do is put it in a container now. Let it chill, and you're ready to eat it tomorrow.